Hi, Aaron here again, and following up on the RoadStage audio test kit installation, and pretty much have the trunk area all completed, just finishing up with the actual trunk lid and back here. You can kind of tell, nice and sound dampened here across the top, across the back, and here's where I haven't done yet. You can tell that's a lot more noisy. So, taking a quick look, let's look inside here. Go way up in here. It's gonna be hard to see because it's kind of getting dark outside, but so up in here I have a solid piece across, and then they have a left and a right piece 25 and 26, I believe they call them, and they are, sorry for the horrible camera work here, but we'll get by. And we have this piece here and this piece up here, so that's what's inside. And then the actual plastic lid has got a few more pieces. I have a 2021, so my kit's a little bit different, I think, because it's designed more around the 2018 model, so I just have to make some adjustments for the plastic piece, but I'll go into that. Again, test kit, so everything will be different based on the actual production run. But so far, again, fantastic kit. It works great. You can see I have my trunk all reassembled here. I've got everything nicely damped all the way. I've got this, up here, nice and damped, and I love this black material. It just blends really well with the trunk. Now I just need to do something about that bar, and then got all that damped. I don't know if I showed off my amps and stuff, but yeah, here's my Helix gear under here, kind of hanging from a board underneath there, and then my stereo integrity sub, and then got this trunk well down here. There's nothing in here right now, and then the factory sub location is an SR, so nothing in there. But again, I will follow up with some more details, but love this kit. Great so far. I can actually tell already that the car is already much quieter. Most of the road noise now is coming from the front. So we'll tackle that next. Thanks.